Welcome to Hosting Rocket. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Tag Manager. Let's head over to Marketing, then down to Google Merchant. We're going to want to get our Google Tag Manager ID. To find this, let's head over to Google Tag Manager, click on the GTM in the top right, and we're going to copy the code from here. We'll want to paste this into our field back in Hosting Rocket. After you have pasted it, click Set, and it'll take a second, but now you have set your GTM on your Hosting Rocket. Let's head back to Google Tag Manager and we'll set up an example. Let's click on New Tag. From here, we want to set up a new tag configuration for AdWords. You should already have an AdWords account set up for this. What we're going to need is a conversion ID and a conversion label. To get these, let's head over to AdWords and click on the wrench, and then let's set up a new conversion. We're going to hit the plus button. We're going to set it up for a website. We're going to do this one for initiating checkout. For category, let's select Other, and for value, we'll put on use the same value, leave it on every, and all the other settings you can keep the same. After you hit Create and Continue, you want to take the second snippet code. You want to copy and paste this into separate text documents for ease of access. From here, let's head back to Google Tag Manager. We're going to get the conversion ID. Its number is right after the AW hyphen. We're going to copy this and throw it in the conversion ID. The conversion label are the numbers after the slash. Let's copy that and put it there as well. Next, we'll need to set up a trigger. So click on Triggering. From here, we're going to create a new trigger by hitting the plus button. Add a new one. We'll do it by page view. Change when this trigger fires to some page views. We're going to make a new variable. So we're going to click on this, and then we're going to go to URL, and then change full URL to fragment. When we save this, we'll change the name to fragment because we're going to use this again possibly in the future. And then on the fragment contains, we're going to put cc_checkout. Now when we hit our checkout page, it'll fire this tag in the tag manager. And we're going to hit save and just call it AdWords checkout. From here, we're going to want to test this. So now let's go over to the top right and click Preview. You're going to see this screen. Now if you head over to our website and hit refresh, you'll see that the tag has not fired on this page. So let's add a shirt to the cart and see what happens. When I click credit card checkout, you'll see that our tag is now fired. Thank you for watching how to set up Google Tag Manager on your Hosting Rocket account.